Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Life. Today we will be going forward with our new skill set of cybersecurity. Start.
Here are some steps and ways to help you on your journey to becoming a cybersecurity expert. Obtain a formal education, pursue a degree in cybersecurity, computer science, or a related field. Look for universities or colleges offering specialized programs in cybersecurity. Gain fundamental knowledge, familiarize yourself with the basics of computer networks, operating systems, programming languages, and database management system and ethical fields to ensure your strength.
Job opportunities in cybersecurity field. Network security engineer. Network security engineers focus on securing computer networks and ensuring their integrity, confidentiality, and availability. Ethical hacker/penetration tester. Ethical hackers, also known as penetration testers, simulate real-world attacks to identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks.
Certainly. Here are some important topics within the field of cybersecurity. Network security. This topic focuses on protecting computer networks from unauthorized access, attacks, and data breaches. Application security. Application security deals with securing software applications and systems from vulnerabilities and threats. Cryptography. Cryptography involves the use of mathematical algorithms to secure data and communications.
Cracking cybersecurity interviews requires a combination of technical knowledge, practical skills, and effective interview preparation. Thoroughly review the job description and understand the key skills, qualifications, and responsibilities expected for the role and gain knowledge. Learn about the company's mission, values, culture, and any recent cybersecurity incidents or initiatives they have been involved in.
Here are some key concepts that are crucial to focus on for a cybersecurity job. Understand the principles of risk management and how it applies to cybersecurity. Familiarize yourself with risk assessment methodologies, risk mitigation strategies, and the concept of risk appetite. Have a solid understanding of common cybersecurity threats and vulnerabilities. Be able to identify and categorize various types of malware, social engineering techniques, network attacks, such as DDoS attacks, and software vulnerabilities. Learn about incident response processes and best practices. Understand how to detect, contain, eradicate, and recover from security incidents.
Thanks for your watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. In my next video, I will give you cloud computing content. Thanks for showing your support to this channel.